Are you founders or a startup? This video is especially for you. Before you start your digital product business with a mobile app, here are the 5 major steps you must know, as I discovered via my own blunders. So let's dive in. 5 major steps which I'm sharing with you. It's more important for every startup. Step 1 is idea validation. Many of founders, including myself, have made this mistake. Before validating the idea, they begin development. So in this phase, you have to determine the problem. That means you need to concentrate on your user pain points. Then after that, you will need to conduct the target audience research, creating user personas to better understand who will get benefit from your product. Then you should analyze the competition in your field to identify the USP. That means user selling point. And finally, define the MVP. This allows you to get your product market faster and collect the genuine user feedback early on. Step 2 is business plan and strategy. Once your product is validated, the next step will be to create a solid business model. During this stage, you have to focus on choosing a core business model. It's maybe a subscription-based model, or maybe a premium-based model, or in-purchase model, or it will be commission-based services. So firstly, you have to choose a solid business model. After that, you have to focus on pricing. Most of the founders and startups who fail on their businesses, that's because of pricing. If you can't choose the right price for your products, you will be failed. Because if you do not research your customers, if you do not research your users, and you don't have specific data about their income brackets, about their all of data, then you can't choose a right price for them. So when you will define the right prices for your customer, after that, the final step will be the legal processes. What is the legal process? Legal process that you have to define your structure of your businesses and manage the license, all our processes which will be secure your applications and legality of your apps. Step 3 is roadmap creation. For example, if you want to go somewhere, what you will do? Firstly, before going anywhere, you just create a roadmap where your journey will be start and where it will be end. And what will be the process? Firstly, you created this full journey roadmap. Then you will take an action. Okay. So same as like in your digital product businesses or any businesses, roadmap is very important. If you do not focusing on roadmap and you do not go to deep dive on this stage, maybe you will be failed. So roadmap is very important, and most of the new entrepreneurs and founders, they are ignoring this step. During this stage, you have to focus on 4 things. First is determine your requirements. So in this phase, you have to focus on core features of your products. You have to focus on UX and designs, wireframing, etc. Then after that, you have to go with the development phase. In development phases, your process will be in 3 phases. First phase will be the MVP development. After that, you have to go with beta testing. You have to get the data of users, and maybe you can say it's alpha testing. And after that, you will finally iterate your products and updates your products regularly. And the third stage, this is most important in this roadmap, it's marketing strategy. So creating a super marketing strategy, it's so much important. What will be the marketing strategy in your digital product businesses? Firstly, you have to start the pre-launch marketing, where you will create the anticipation of your product, where you will test your user base, and you can collect their data, and you can interact them with your products, with your features, and it will create the impressions, and it will create a good impact for your products. Then after that, you will focus on ASO, our app store optimization. So this will be the marketing steps. And then after that, you have to go with user acquisition and growth rate, where you can create a referral program. Users who are using your apps, you can create any incentive, or you can create any referral programs for them. So you have to create a feedback loops. This is the main theme to fastly or rapidly grow your user base. This is so much important. Step 4, development and testing. Here you have to focus on backend API development, front-end development, and secure compliance. So this is very important. You have to deep dive on these stages to backend development, where you have to focus on that your product, your app will not get a lot of errors, and you have to create the better experience of users. Step number 5 will be the testing, iterate and updates your products. Here you have to focus on key features, key metrics. You can say you can track the key, KPIs. KPI means you will track the key metrics of your products, your user base, your product updates, and lot of data you will track. And then after that, you have to focus on scaling. Gradually introduce new features regularly, and it will be grow your applications in next level. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you are a new entrepreneur or you are now starting your journey on digital product business, this channel will be your very good partner on this journey. So in this next video, I share about the trends and market size of different categories digital products.